this video, I will walk you through the installation of Kali Linux 2023 in VirtualBox. The version is 2023.3. Okay, let's get started. First of all, click on New. Then name the virtual machine Black Hat. Then select the folder. You can change it, but I don't need. Then select the ISO image. Here is my ISO image, Kali Linux 2023.3. Then select the version. You have to choose Debian 64-bit. If your computer is 64-bit, then you have to choose 64-bit, or you have to choose 32-bit. Then click on hardware. Then choose the base memory. It will work as a RAM. Then choose the processor. Then click on hard disk. Allocate the storage. Here all the thing happens. Press enter. Then you will get these types of interface. Then click on start. It will take a couple of seconds. You have to choose graphical install. It's easy. Then you have to select the language. Scroll down. United States. Continue. Then you have to choose American English. Loading additional component. Network hardware. Then the host name is Kali, not have to change. Then scroll down. Here you have find continue. Then domain name. The domain name is a part of internet address to the right host name. It is often something that is in .com, .net, .org. If you are setting a home network, you can make something up. Make sure you use the domain name of all your computers. You don't have to put anything. Continue. Here you have to do anything. Do continue. Here you can read it. The user account will be created for you instead of a root account for an administrative activities. Please enter the real name of this user. This information will be used for intents. Here you have to put the name. I use Kali. Continue. Then scroll down, continue. Then you have to put your password. Retype your password. Then continue. It will take a second. Turn. Then continue. You have to choose partition very carefully. It's an important part of this video. When you use your computer, then you have to go to manual mode. Your virtual machine, that's why we don't have to do anything. Okay, do continue. All files in non-partition recommended. Continue. Here you have to do continue. The following partition are going to format it. Yes. Then continue. Install the base system. Yeah, you can read this instruction. The moment on the core of the system is installed, the default section below will install Kali Linux in standard desktop environment and the default tools. You can customize it by choosing a different desktop environment or a different selection. And continue. Downloading the software. It will take a couple of seconds. Install the grab bootloader. Here it seems this installation is open operating system on this computer. If so, it should be safe. Install grab bootloader to your primary drive. Warning: if your computer has another operating system that the install failed to detect, this will make the operating system temporarily unbootable. Okay, yes, continue. Then do continue. Install the grab bootloader. Continue. What I have to do here, only computer website should be total yes. Okay, no, then you have to do continue, go back and continue. Install the grab bootloader. What you have to do here, if your computer has another operating system that the install failed to detect, this will make the operating system temporarily unbootable. Through grab can manually configure later to boot it. You have to do yes, then do continue, then continue, install the grab bootloader, then finish the installation. Finishing the installation actually. It will take a couple of minutes on your computer. Yeah, finish the installation. Installation is complete, so it is time to boot into a system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the system. Scroll down, then do continue. Finishing the installation process, then you will see this type of interface. Installation is complete. It will boot automatically. Here you have to skill mode is better. If you want to do it, you can do it. Then type the